Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we are going to be talking about mascara. This is Maybelline's new Sky High mascara, and I'm going to be trying it for you guys today, and I'm going to be also testing it out. I'm inserting a clip or clips of me putting on the mascara, and I also give my thoughts when I'm putting it on. Before we get started, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Be sure to follow me on my socials before we get started. So this is the Maybelline Sky High Lash Sensational Mascara. This has limitless length, full volume. This is what it claims. This is the color Very Black, and it says it has a flexible tower brush. That is true. The brush is very flexible. Okay, so first I'm just gonna curl my eyelashes. Okay, these are my eyelashes curled. I have like kind of small eyelashes. So I'm hoping that this mascara actually does something, because what I would give for long eyelashes. These are my eyelashes, no mascara. Okay, now I'm trying the Sensational Sky High mascara. Shout out to my mom because she got this for me, so thanks mom. Mom sponsored this review today. Okay, so we are just putting one coat. Oh, that gives me so much anxiety. Oh my gosh, I don't know, I just feel so okay. So that's one coat. That's a no mascara. This one has mascara, so I mean, it's looking pretty good. It's looking darker. Okay, so second coat. I'm just gonna leave this one undone for now because I actually want to see the difference after like 3 coats. And I want to see if you can actually pack it on, because some mascaras you can't put on too many layers. So I kind of like the ones that let you do both, you know, like one coat is good enough, but also like you could build it up. I'm in my dorm right now, so I don't have the tool that actually lets me unclump the eyelashes, so hopefully they don't clump. So this is 2 coats. I don't know, it's getting kind of like a little bit clumpy, so like I don't want to put too much on and then it's like a clumped mess. So I might just leave it like that. Yeah, I tell the difference. It's a pretty big difference. There's a little bit of flakes, but that could also just be black on my actual eye. Now I'm gonna go for the bottom lashes with the rest of what's on my brush. Okay, so this is the difference. This is like 2 heavy coats and 1 light coat. 1 coat on the bottom, and this is none. I don't know, what do you guys think? I like it, but I feel like it doesn't do much for length. It's definitely more volumizing. So if you like volume and like your eyelashes to look really dark, this one might be for you. But I kind of prefer length. And I don't know if I'm really seeing, I actually am seeing it a little bit. Like it's kind of close to my brow where this one's not as close. I do like it, but I don't know if it's like the best I've ever tried. But it is good. It really did change. If you like zoom out, you know, this definitely looks like my eyelashes are way longer than this. The question is, will it hold? Because I hope it doesn't flake on me. That would really suck. I'm gonna do this eye off camera, and then I will sit down and talk about the review. I think one coat might be better than doing three, because the three can get kind of clumpy. Like this one was like a light third coat, but this one is just one coat and it does not seem as clumpy. So maybe less is more with this mascara, because I see a big difference between this eye and this eye. I don't know if you can tell. Overall, first impressions, I think it's pretty good. I like the way it went on. It does give my lashes some length, because I mean I have very small eyelashes, so just the fact that it's doing this for my eyelashes, I give it a thumbs up, because my eyelashes are very small and you can't see them if I'm not wearing any mascara. Do I think that it's like super sky high life changing like it claims to be? Like, no. I feel like the name sky high, like I was really expecting my eyelashes to look really long, and I don't know, I just feel like they're not looking as long as I would like. They do look long, but like from far away you can't really see them anymore. I'm definitely going to keep using this mascara, because like I said, I do like the length that it does give me. I mean, my eyelashes are already small and I like that it's very black. It gives my eyelashes a lot of color. But yeah, I don't know, I think it's like a pretty average mascara. I will check in with you after work, so in about like 4 or 5 hours. So it is 12:53 right now, and I will check back in about 4 or 5 hours and let you know if the mascara rubbed off, or if it flaked, or how it looks throughout the day, because honestly my eyelashes could fall. That's very possible. So we'll check in pretty soon, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Hey everybody, so we are checking in now. It's nighttime, so the lighting is a little off because I'm using a lamp, not natural light. So it is now 7:29. I have been wearing, oh my god, please focus. Bruh. I have been wearing this mascara for about 7.5 hours, because I put it on at 12. Yeah, so this is my mascara. I'm actually really surprised, because there is no flakes. Like, there's none. There is no mascara flakes on my face, and that makes me so happy, because my mascara literally comes off in the middle of the day. Like, it just goes away. It'll just fall all over my face. I have like black stuff all underneath my eyes. It's not good. So yeah, I'm super glad that it passed the test. You can go a full work day, full school day wearing this mascara, and it will not budge on you. So this actually makes me like the mascara a lot more than I did initially, just because of the lasting power. Like my eyelashes pretty much look the same as they did when I showed y'all like 7.5 hours ago. I was honestly expecting it to fall down, like, and my lashes to not look as good as they look now. So I'm really excited about that. So I give this Sky High mascara a thumbs up. I definitely think it's worth checking out if you need to buy a new mascara or you're looking to buy a new mascara. It's at the drugstore, so it's pretty affordable, and I will put the price in this video. But yeah, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and hit that subscribe button before you go so you can see more videos from me. And leave a comment down below. What do you think? Do you have this mascara? Do you like it? Are you planning on getting it? Just let me know in the comments, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.